How to make money on YouTube without putting your face on camera. In this video, we'll go through how to get started making money on YouTube, what videos to make, and why making meditation videos can be one of the easiest options. The YouTube Partner Program is where the majority of creators get money. To begin monetizing your films, you must first apply and be accepted. You can begin monetizing your films once you've been accepted into the program. In a nutshell, this is how monetization works. Step 1. You create the videos and build a following. Step 2. YouTube shows advertisements in qualifying videos. Step 3. Viewers watch your videos while watching commercials and you are compensated. Please keep in mind that you must achieve the following minimum conditions before you begin earning money. Number 1. You must reside in a country that offers the YouTube Partner Program. Number 2. You must have completed at least 4,000 hours of public watch in the previous 12 months. Number 3. You must have 1,000 or more subscribers. Number 4. A linked AdSense account is required. What videos should I create in order to become a partner? However, keep in mind that you must swiftly get 1,000 members and 4,000 view hours. As a result, choose a topic with a large potential audience and create longer videos that people will watch to the finish. Which videos fulfill this criteria? Making meditation and relaxation videos is, in our opinion, one of the simplest solutions. Why? It's highly popular. The videos are usually long and people will watch them all the way through. This will help you fast get the 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours you need. Don't forget to like and subscribe.